It's busy in the AWS Cloud. Together, let's keep up with the latest and greatest from AWS. Let's get into it. Today, AWS announces Amazon Q, a new generative AI-powered assistant that is specifically designed for work and can be tailored to your business to have conversations, solve problems, generate content, and take actions using the data and expertise found in your company's information repositories, code, and enterprise systems. Amazon Connect now provides a no-code UI builder enabled within the drag-and-drop workflow designer that lets you create and manage the UI shown to agents in step-by-step guides. With this capability, you can design a guide that presents what the agent should review or do inside the Amazon Connect agent workspace at any moment during a customer interaction. Amazon Bedrock is an easy way to build and scale generative AI applications with leading foundation models. Amazon Bedrock now supports fine-tuning for Meta Llama 2 and Cohere Command Lite, along with Amazon Titan Text Lite and Amazon Titan Text Express FMs, so you can use labeled datasets to increase model accuracy for particular tasks. Amazon DynamoDB Zero ETL integration with Amazon OpenSearch Service provides customers advanced search capabilities, such as full text and vector search, on their Amazon DynamoDB data. With a few button clicks in the AWS console, customers can now seamlessly synchronize their data from Amazon DynamoDB to Amazon OpenSearch Service, eliminating the need to write any custom code to extract, transform, and load the data. Amazon DynamoDB Zero ETL integration with Amazon OpenSearch Service is now available for both Amazon OpenSearch Service managed clusters and serverless collections. Starting today, you can use Amazon Athena to query data stored in the Amazon S3 Express One Zone storage class for up to 2.1x faster query performance than S3 standard. S3 Express One Zone is a high-performance, single availability zone storage class purpose-built to deliver consistent, single-digit millisecond data access for your most frequently accessed data and latency-sensitive applications. Amazon Relational Database Service for MySQL Zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift allows you to access transactional data from Amazon RDS for MySQL to run analytics and machine learning on petabytes of data in Amazon Redshift. With the Zero ETL integration, you don't need to build and maintain complex data pipelines to perform extract, transform, and load operations. The Amazon RDS for MySQL Zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift is now available in public preview for Amazon Redshift Serverless and Amazon Redshift RA3 instance types. You can now use MountPoint for Amazon S3 to access objects stored in the new Amazon S3 Express One Zone storage class using file system operations. The new S3 Express One Zone storage class is purpose-built to deliver the fastest cloud object storage for performance-critical applications that demand consistent single-digit millisecond request latency. Amazon Aurora Zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift enables near real-time analytics and machine learning using Amazon Redshift on petabytes of transactional data from Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL-compatible edition database clusters can now be used as a source for Zero ETL integrations. Within seconds of transactional data being written into Aurora, the data is available in Amazon Redshift. You don't have to build and maintain complex data pipelines to perform extract, transform, and load operations. The Amazon S3 Express One Zone storage class is purpose-built to deliver the fastest cloud object storage for performance-critical applications that demand consistent single-digit millisecond request latency. S3 Express One Zone can improve data access speeds by 10x and reduce request costs by 50% compared to S3 standard and scales to process millions of requests per minute for your most frequently accessed datasets. It enables workloads such as machine learning training, interactive analytics, and media content creation to achieve single-digit millisecond data access speed with high durability and availability. Amazon Connect now provides in-app and web voice and video calling capabilities, making it easier to deliver more personalized voice and video experiences in your websites and mobile applications. These voice and video capabilities allow customers to contact you without having to leave your website or mobile application. You can use these capabilities to pass contextual information to Amazon Connect, enabling you to personalize the customer experience based on attributes such as the customer's profile, authentication status, or actions previously taken within the app. Today, Amazon QuickSight announces 3 new natural language capabilities enabled by Amazon Q for business users. Launching in preview, these capabilities can summarize dashboards, generate mini dashboards to answer data questions, and build stories explaining data. Amazon Q, a generative AI-powered assistant that is specifically designed for work and can be tailored to your business, is available in Amazon Connect. Amazon Q in Connect delivers real-time recommendations that help contact center agents resolve customer issues quickly and accurately, helping improve both agent productivity and customer satisfaction. This generative AI assistant, which includes functionality formerly available as Amazon Connect Wisdom, can help agents detect customer intent during calls and chats using conversational analytics and natural language understanding, then provides agents with generated responses and suggested actions, along with links to relevant documents and articles. For example, Amazon Q can help detect that a customer is contacting a rental car company to change their reservation, generate a response for the agent to quickly communicate how the company's change fee policies apply to this customer, and guide the agent through the steps they need to update the reservation. In addition to receiving recommendations, agents can also query Amazon Q using natural language or keywords to answer customer requests. Amazon Q is built into the Amazon Connect Agent workspace and is available via API for your own agent desktop. Today, AWS announces a range of capabilities in preview in Amazon Q to supercharge work for developers and IT professionals and provide expert assistance when building, deploying, and operating applications and workloads on AWS. Amazon Q is a generative AI-powered assistant that can be tailored to your business, code, data, and operations. You can now accelerate data processing and analysis with Apache Spark applications by up to 4.0x than data in S3 standard using Amazon EMR and the Amazon S3 Express One Zone storage class. S3 Express One Zone is a high-performance, single-availability zone storage class purpose-built to deliver consistent, single-digit millisecond data access for your most frequently accessed data and latency-sensitive applications. Amazon Bedrock provides you with an easy way to build and scale generative AI applications with leading foundation models. Continued pre-training in Amazon Bedrock is a new capability that allows you to train Amazon Titan Text Express and Amazon Titan Text Lite FMs and customize them using your own unlabeled data, in a secure and managed environment. As models are continually pre-trained on data spanning different topics, genres, and contexts over time, they become more robust and learn to handle out-of-domain data better by accumulating wider knowledge and adaptability, creating even more value for your organization. Starting today, new memory-optimized Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud or 8G instances, powered by the latest generation custom-designed AWS Graviton 4 processors, are available in preview. Our 8G instances are built on the AWS Nitro system, a collection of hardware and software innovations designed by AWS. The AWS Nitro system enables the delivery of efficient, flexible, and secure cloud services with isolated multi-tenancy, private networking, and fast local storage. Our 8G instances offer larger instances with up to 3x more vCPUs and memory than our 7G instances. Amazon EC2 or 8G instances are ideal for memory-intensive workloads such as databases, in-memory caches, and real-time big data analytics. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now provides real-time conversational analytics for Amazon Connect Chat, extending the machine learning-powered post-contact analytics to real-time contact scenarios. These capabilities enable contact center managers to detect customer issues during in-progress chat contacts, and help them resolve customer issues faster. For example, managers can now get a real-time email alert when customer sentiment for a chat contact turns negative, allowing them to join the in-progress contact and help resolve the customer issue. Today, we are announcing guardrails for Amazon Bedrock in preview that enables customers to implement safeguards across foundation models based on their use cases and responsible AI policies. Customers can create multiple guardrails tailored to different use cases and apply them across multiple FMs, providing a consistent user experience and standardizing safety controls across generative AI applications. Now generally available, fully managed knowledge bases for Amazon Bedrock securely connects foundation models to internal company data sources for retrieval augmented generation to deliver more relevant, context-specific, and accurate responses. Knowledge bases extend the FM's powerful capabilities to make it more knowledgeable about your business, customers, and offerings. Amazon DynamoDB now supports zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift, enabling customers to run high-performance analytics on their DynamoDB data. This zero ETL integration has no impact on production workloads running on DynamoDB. As data is written into a DynamoDB table, it is seamlessly made available in Amazon Redshift, eliminating the need for customers to build and maintain complex data pipelines for performing extract, transform, and load operations. Amazon Connect now supports two-way short messaging service capabilities, making it easy for you to resolve customer issues via text messaging. SMS offers a ubiquitous and convenient channel for customers to get help, while enabling you to deliver personalized experiences at a lower cost. Amazon Connect Customer Profiles now provides a generative AI-powered customer data mapping capability that significantly reduces the time needed to create unified profiles, enabling companies to help provide more personalized customer experiences faster. Amazon Web Services is announcing the public preview of Amazon Q in the AWS Console mobile application. AWS customers using the AWS Console mobile app for Android can now use Amazon Q, the generative AI assistant in the AWS Console mobile app, to ask questions about AWS services and receive concise, reliable answers in a mobile-friendly user interface with voice input and output capabilities. Now generally available, fully managed agents for Amazon Bedrock enables generative AI applications to execute multi-step tasks across company systems and data sources. Agents can plan and perform business tasks, such as answering questions about product availability or taking orders. Customers can create an agent in just a few clicks by writing a few instructions in natural language, providing access to the company's systems, and defining AWS Lambda functions. Agents analyze the user request and break it down into a logical sequence using the FM's reasoning capabilities to determine what information is needed, the APIs to call, and the sequence of execution to fulfill the request. After creating the plan, agents call the right APIs and retrieve the information needed from company systems and data sources to provide accurate and relevant responses. Agents automatically perform this process in the background, securely by encrypting data in transit and at rest, each time. This relinquishes customers from having to engineer prompts, train models, or manually connect systems. With agents for Amazon Bedrock, customers can easily integrate generative AI into their businesses, simplifying and accelerating how they perform and execute tasks without the undifferentiated heavy lifting. We are excited to announce the public preview of Amazon Q and AWS Chatbot, which provides summarized and concise answers to customers' AWS-related queries in a conversational experience in Microsoft Teams and Slack. Customers receive concise and trustworthy answers to their questions to accelerate their understanding of the AWS services, architect solutions, and troubleshoot issues. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now provides generative AI-powered post-contact summarization, enabling contact center managers to more efficiently monitor and help improve contact quality and agent performance. Today, AWS announces the preview of a new generative AI-based capability in Amazon Data Zone to improve data discovery, data understanding, and data usage by enriching the business data catalog. With a single click, data producers can generate comprehensive business data descriptions and context, highlight impactful columns, and include recommendations on analytical use cases. Amazon Connect announces a preview of Analytics Data Lake, a zero-ETL analytics capability that empowers organizations to access the insights needed to understand and optimize key contact center performance metrics via a unified data source and their choice of business intelligence tool. With the Analytics Data Lake, records are deduped and ready to query, eliminating the need to build and maintain complex data pipelines to perform extract, transform, and load operations to access Amazon Connect data to get it ready for analytics and artificial intelligence workloads. Today, Amazon Web Services Incorporated announced that Amazon Q can help you select Amazon EC2 instances. Amazon Q uses machine learning to help customers take quick and cost-effective decisions for their compute instance type before building their workloads. Amazon Q generates personalized EC2 instance suggestions for customers using the AWS Management Console or AWS documentation site. Its natural language interface provides an easy way for customers to communicate their requirements and get the best matched instances. Today, AWS announces Amazon Aurora Limitless Database, which enables you to scale your Amazon Aurora clusters to millions of write transactions per second and manage petabytes of data. With this new capability, you can scale your relational database workloads on Aurora beyond the limits of a single Aurora writer instance without needing to create custom application logic or manage multiple databases. Today, Amazon Redshift Serverless introduces a preview of the next generation of artificial intelligence-driven scaling and optimization in cloud data warehousing. Amazon Redshift Serverless uses AI techniques to scale automatically with workload changes across all key dimensions, such as data volume changes, concurrent users, and query complexity to meet and maintain your price performance targets. Internal tests demonstrate that these optimizations can give you up to 10x better price performance for variable workloads without manual intervention. Amazon Redshift now supports incremental refresh for materialized views on Apache Iceberg and standard AWS Glue tables, eliminating the need for full refreshes which require the re-execution of the underlying select statements and rewriting the data in the materialized view. Amazon Redshift announces multidimensional data layouts, a new powerful table sorting mechanism that improves performance of repetitive queries. Unlike traditional sorting methods that sort data based on one or more table columns, multidimensional data layout sorts data based on the incoming query filters, which significantly accelerates the performance of table scans. An AWS internal benchmark test shows that MDDL produced a 74% total runtime reduction compared to having no sort key, and a 40% total runtime reduction compared to the best single-column sort key. AWS Glue Data Catalog now supports the creation, management, and access control of SQL views that support multiple engines. Customers can create SQL views in AWS Glue Data Catalog and query them from SQL engines including Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, and Spark with Amazon EMR on EC2. AWS Application Composer now integrates AWS Step Functions Workflow Studio, making it easier for developers to visually design workflows, connect services, and develop applications using a single visual infrastructure as code builder. With AWS Application Composer, you can focus on the high-level architecture of your application with deployment-ready infrastructure as code definitions being automatically composed. Amazon Redshift Data Lake Analytics supports querying nested data in Parquet, ORC, JSON, and ION file formats. You can now apply AWS Lake Formation FGAC to your nested data and query with Amazon Redshift Data Lake Analytics. By using DDM in Amazon Redshift, you can protect sensitive data in your data warehouse. You can apply DDM policies to scalar attributes in superdata type columns. Your superdata will be masked based on the masking function defined in masking policies. You can use the full path of superobject as input path, and the full path of superobject as output path. Today, AWS announces support for custom blueprints in Amazon Code Catalyst, giving teams the ability to define best practices for application code, workflows, and infrastructure. Customers can publish custom blueprints to their Code Catalyst space and use them to create Code Catalyst projects, or use a blueprint to apply standards to existing Code Catalyst projects. Code Catalyst custom blueprints are available to all enterprise tier spaces. Amazon Breakit launches Breakit Direct, a new program expanding how you can explore quantum computing on AWS, accelerating research and innovation. You can now reserve dedicated capacity on various quantum devices, engage directly with quantum computing specialists, and have early access to next-generation capabilities, including the latest trapped ion device from IonQ, Forte, publicly available for the first time on AWS. Today we announce Amazon One Enterprise, a POM-based identity service for enterprise access control. The service enables organizations to provide a fast, convenient, and contactless experience for employees and authorized users to gain access to physical locations as well as digital assets such as restricted software resources. Amazon One Enterprise eliminates operational overhead associated with the management of traditional enterprise authentication methods, like badges and PINs. IT and security administrators can easily install the Amazon One devices and manage users, devices, and software updates in the AWS Management Console. With the new mount point for Amazon S3 Container Storage Interface Driver, your Kubernetes applications can access S3 objects through a file system interface, achieving high aggregate throughput without any changes to your application. Built on mount point for Amazon S3, the CSI driver presents an S3 bucket as a volume accessible by containers in Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service and self-managed Kubernetes clusters. As a result, distributed machine learning training jobs in Amazon EKS and self-managed Kubernetes clusters can read data from Amazon S3 at high throughput to accelerate training times. Today, AWS announces the general availability of Amazon Elasticsearch Serverless, a new serverless option for Amazon Elasticsearch that simplifies cache management and instantly scales to support the most demanding applications. With Elasticsearch Serverless, you can create a highly available and scalable cache in less than a minute, eliminating the need to plan for, provision, and manage cache cluster capacity. Elastic Serverless automatically stores data redundantly across multiple availability zones and provides a 99.99% availability service level agreement. With Elastic Serverless, you pay for data stored and compute consumed by your workload, with no upfront commitments or additional costs. Today, Amazon Web Services Incorporated announces the general availability of AWS Countdown, a service that enables successful migrations, modernizations, streaming, and go-live events. AWS Countdown helps you throughout the project lifecycle to assess operational readiness, identify and mitigate risks, and offers proven playbooks developed by AWS experts. Today, AWS announces the general availability of the AWS SDK for Kotlin, allowing customers to use this for production workloads. Today, AWS announces the general availability of the AWS SDK for Rust, allowing customers to now use this for production workloads. The AWS SDK for Rust empowers developers to interact with AWS services and enjoy APIs that follow Rust idioms and best practices. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.